DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.
YouTube. Listen, we done deal with it, done back in the lab, man. And we are continue the Masicka EP reaction. You see me as we just we react to top of the world. Now we there with source. Yes, man. Reaction there enough. Come like some Masicka drop a video for you. Blood clean tune in and the blood clean EP, dog. How we there feet? How we blood? What kind of quality is this Masicka? Oh, you only got a 480p Masicka. How you deal with dog? Be yourself, man. No, I'm telling them thing I mean high quality, you know, yo. That's what you do. But anyway, we there with the reaction, guys. We'll check it out and see what dog deal with. Nothing will be very much longer because the out to the beat. That sound like it's not bad. It sound like it's bad, so let's get it. love the sound of the beat so far. I don't even hear. I like our face, I like our aesthetic. Yes, it's very Jamaican. I like all the cotton thing. It's very, yeah, it's given very island, very yard. It's a beautiful thing. Let's go. It's King Noel, I love mama, I down. Counting the blue faces. Okay, now the first video there was more like, you know, like an island boy, like an island girl, all them got love. What is this? Like a Bonnie and Clyde one? When them upgrade a little bit, have a little bit more money? Let me see.
Let my words be a pillow and life journey. Let me lay you down. And if life journey.
Blue face honeys. Yes, mama. Money spread. You got it now.
Should break us, girl, we shouldn't wear a frown. Life takes us places. I miss your face. I need the changes. With you I'm safe. I know what rain is. So I hope for brighter day.
Life changes take us different places. I miss your face.
I miss your face.
Yes, mama.
I need the changes.
Yeah.
With you I'm safe.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know what rain is. So I hope for brighter days.
Yeah.
I will keep on loving you, love you, I like to say. Oh, I'll find a way to let my words be a pillow and life journey. Let me lay you down.
Like you feel like they wanna man, they wanna have a wongs to it. Go on,
and if life journey should break us, girl, we shouldn't wear a frown.
Why life journey should break us, we shouldn't wear a frown, mama. Watch you
down. And if life journey should break us, girl, we shouldn't wear a frown. Fight fire, no more feet when I saw you. You got it like that's all you. That's all you. Can I call you?
Can I?
The things
Can I? Mama call you, mama do the things that we want to do, eh? You like your bones, watch you.
That's all you. Can I call you? Tell you the things that I want to do. You're dead with me, a nice time, yo.
You're dead there with me, nice time. Mama, so me have to rate and respect you, your number. Hey, yeah, go on, show.
Can I call you?
Yeah.
Tell you the things that I want to.
Yeah.
You're dead with me, a nice time, yo. So baby, oh me, if you try, yo. So let these blessings surround us like lessons. You the one, no guessing, girl.
Yes, man, let these blessings surround us. Life lesson, you're the one. No guessing, mama. Hey, go on, show.
So let these blessings surround us like lessons. You the one, no guessing, girl. These moves are destined. In life, you my best win. No guessing, girl.
No guessing.
So let these words be.
Yes.
Pillow and life journey.
You know you are listening. Let these words speak, mama. I want to listen.
No guessing, girl. So let these words be. Pillow and life journey. Lay you down. And if life journey should break us, girl, we shouldn't wear a frown.
What? If lifeless journey should break way. Shouldn't we are from, man? That's remember I love what we have. You don't. What?
Journey, lay you down. And if life journey should break us, girl, we
Shouldn't
wear a frown. So let these words be pillow on your journey. Lay you down.
Clean.
If life journey should break us, girl, we should wear a frown.
Woo! Buckley. Bachun. Hey, black love is such a beautiful thing, you know. Yes, man. Such a beautiful thing, ain't it? Big up to Masicka. Yes, man, the one name Source. You know that sound like? That sound like, say, you know, the 𝐑𝐄𝐀? It's like the ending part, middle part of 𝐑𝐄𝐀 where it's like, girl, I feel like he took that part and just made a whole album of that bitch. Real shit, go back to 𝐑𝐄𝐀, man. You see me and say? Me like it. You see me and say, gang. Not littest. Another one, this. Masicka. We ever react to this to that? I shall be right now. No.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy.